Hi everybody. With today's world of everybody being so skittish and people so scared, the due diligence of any property is so important. But what is a due diligence for? A due diligence is there to assist a buyer in making a better decision and also to help a buyer understand whether they need to spend extra money that they didn't foresee. A due diligence is there for a seller to protect a seller and give a seller a chance to disclose anything that they might need to disclose. So on these due diligence reports, it is so important for an agent to make sure that this is something they offer a buyer and help a seller with. And a company I really have to give a shout out to that I'm absolutely loving, and I'm loving what it does in the industry for agents and sellers and buyers, is of course PropDD. A shout out to Justin Levy and Sean Godoy. What a service for agents to have an online portal where we can go in and put every single back end about a property we would like a buyer to see, and the seller an opportunity to show everything and to have this online and also to keep a record of it. Due diligence is basically verification. You want to disclose, you want to verify, you want to give a buyer a chance to go out and do his budget and his number crunching. It is really great for the agent to have this online. This is a way of disclosing all aspects of the property. This is a way of simplifying the information. It is so wonderful to have everything in one space that we need to show buyers. Happy investing.